The world just entered a new era of technology, and it looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. From AI drones to flying bikes, these 2025 inventions are pushing the limits of what humans can create. Which invention do you wish you could try first? Drop your pick below. SiFly Endurance Drones. The SiFly Endurance Drones are rewriting the limits of aerial technology. Designed for extreme missions, these next-gen drones can fly longer, farther, and harder than ever before. No constant recharging, no downtime. Whether it's surveillance, mapping, delivery, or precision farming, they dominate every field with unmatched endurance and reliability. Built for the toughest environments, SiFly's innovation isn't just evolution, it's a revolution that's turning industrial drone tech into pure futuristic power. AltoVolo's Sigma. The AltoVolo Sigma is a flying machine straight out of the future. This hybrid eVTOL aircraft combines electric power with a combustion boost, hitting insane speeds of 220 miles per hour and an unbelievable 500-mile range. With its noise levels slashed by 80%, Sigma glides quietly over cities while packing a built-in ballistic parachute for ultimate safety. Whether it's air taxis or private travel, this isn't just another prototype. It's a real glimpse into the future of personal air mobility. Menace. Menace T by Anduril Industries is a battlefield game-changer built for the next generation of warfare. This man-portable C4 system brings AI-powered intelligence, real-time tracking, and edge computing straight to soldiers in the field. It connects seamlessly across land, sea, and in air, even in off-grid environments. With encrypted data, mission-ready software, and VR integration through Microsoft's IVAS, Menace T is turning soldiers into high-tech command centers. This isn't defense, it's futuristic domination. Jetson One. The Jetson One is the flying vehicle that turns pure sci-fi into reality. This single-seat electric VTOL lets you soar through the skies at 63 miles per hour using 8 powerful electric motors. Built from carbon fiber and aluminum, it's light, sleek, and safe, even equipped with a ballistic parachute and obstacle avoidance system. You can literally park it in your garage and charge it at home. The Jetson One isn't a dream, it's your personal flying machine of the future. A2ZL V4. The A2ZL V4 mobility platform is a revolutionary leap toward driverless cities. Built for Level 4 autonomy, it removes the steering wheel and pedals, running hands-free with proven reliability after 579,000 kilometers of autonomous driving across 14 cities. Modular and adaptable, it powers passenger shuttles and delivery vehicles with redundant safety systems and real-world durability. Already operating South Korea's largest autonomous bus fleet, A2Z is poised to scale into global mass production. AI car designs. AI car designs are transforming the automotive world into something out of a sci-fi fantasy. Using generative AI and futuristic modeling, designers are now creating vehicles that think, adapt, and optimize themselves for speed, aerodynamics, and sustainability. From ultra-smooth exteriors to AI-enhanced interiors built for autonomous driving, these cars blend beauty with intelligence. With smart materials and self-learning systems, AI car design isn't just innovation, it's the birth of a new automotive revolution. FLPP ecosystem. The FLPP ecosystem is Europe's secret weapon in the new space race. Known as the Future Launchers Preparatory Program, it's building the next generation of reusable rockets and ultra-efficient propulsion systems. Backed by the European Space Agency, FLPP is revolutionizing how we reach orbit, cutting costs, boosting reliability, and pushing technology to the edge. From advanced materials to smart avionics, this program isn't just shaping rockets. It's engineering the future of global space transportation. LYNX M20. The LYNX M20 by Deep Robotics is a beast of engineering built for the toughest terrains on Earth. This hybrid wheeled-legged robot moves with lightning speed on wheels and conquers mud, debris, and slopes like a true survivor. Armed with a 96-line LiDAR system and 360-degree obstacle detection, it's perfect for rescue missions, industrial inspections, and military ops. With 5-hour runtime, IP66 protection, and rugged design, the LYNX M20 isn't a robot. It's the future of unstoppable mobility. NARMA. NARMA is redefining the future of drone delivery with jaw-dropping innovation. Their AF-100 dual tilt-rotor drone blends vertical takeoff with high-speed flight, making urgent deliveries faster than ever. Built with aerospace expertise from Korea's KARI, these drones are already saving lives, delivering medical gear, defibrillators, and even acting as air ambulances in countries like the US, Kenya, and South Africa. NARMA isn't just delivering packages, it's delivering the future of intelligent, life-saving logistics. FlashBot Arm. The FlashBot Arm by Robotics is the next evolution of service robots, and it's shockingly advanced. Equipped with dual robotic arms and 11 degrees of freedom, it can press elevator buttons, pick up objects, and deliver items with human-like precision. Using AI vision, LIDAR, and voice interaction, it navigates busy environments effortlessly. From hotels to hospitals, the FlashBot Arm isn't just a helper. It's a glimpse into a future where robots work, think, and move like us. Project Kuiper. Project Kuiper by Amazon is about to change the internet forever. With over 3,200 low Earth orbit satellites, it's taking on Starlink to deliver lightning-fast broadband to every corner of the planet. Backed by SpaceX, Blue Origin, and ULA launches, Kuiper uses Amazon's custom Prometheus chip and sleek terminals, delivering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Going live in 2025, it's set to connect even the most remote areas. The future of global internet has officially begun. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a real-life sci-fi machine that turns the dream of personal flight into reality. Powered by jet propulsion instead of propellers, this single-seat hoverbike soars through the air at speeds of up to 124 miles per hour. Built from carbon fiber and 3D printed materials, it's 7 times lighter than a motorcycle and insanely futuristic. With auto hover stabilization and a sleek open cockpit, the Volonaut Airbike is redefining what freedom in the skies truly means. SR Series G7. The SR Series G7 Plus by Cirrus is revolutionizing personal aviation like never before. This luxurious single-engine aircraft features safe return autoland, an AI power system that can land itself at the nearest airport with just one button, even if the pilot is incapacitated. With smart avionics, runway alerts, and a stunning 14-inch glass cockpit, the G7 Plus blends safety, luxury, and intelligence. It's not just an airplane, it's the smartest personal jet ever built. Proteus Technology Demonstrator. The Proteus Technology Demonstrator is the Royal Navy's futuristic secret weapon taking flight in 2025. Developed by Leonardo with the UK Ministry of Defence, this AI-powered unmanned aircraft is built for next-gen naval missions, from anti-submarine warfare to autonomous supply drops. With modular payloads, a digital twin, and over 40 advanced composite parts, it's a masterpiece of smart engineering. Proteus isn't just an aircraft. It's the dawn of intelligent maritime aviation. E-skateboard. Electric skateboards are taking personal transportation to a whole new level. These high-speed, eco-friendly boards blend adrenaline with innovation, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour and ranges over 40 miles. From the Meepo Hurricane's off-road power to the Backfire G5's smart OLED remote, every ride feels futuristic. Built for city cruising or wild trails, today's e-skateboards aren't toys. They're high-tech machines redefining the thrill of motion and freedom on wheels. DJI Zenmuse S1. The DJI Zenmuse S1 is the ultimate spotlight built for the dark side of drone missions. Designed for DJI's Matrice 300 and 350R TK drones, it uses laser-excited phosphor LEP tech to blast a beam up to 500 meters through total darkness. Perfect for search and rescue, firefighting, and law enforcement, it delivers unmatched clarity and control. With dual lighting modes and seamless DJI integration, the Zenmuse S1 turns night into day, redefining aerial visibility forever. These inventions aren't coming. They're already here. The future isn't waiting for us. It's taking off right now. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it below before 2025 changes everything.